What's up, guys? So on today's video we're gonna do my X3 wrap. The UPS guy just dropped this off a couple minutes ago. We got it unboxed and all laid out. This came from a company called All Motor Graphics out in California, I think. I think it's gonna look pretty good. It's even got our last name on there. The yellow will go nice with my shocks and A-arms. Something else we have going on is yesterday we got the wheels and tires put on. I went with the STI HD 10s with 30-inch Maxxis carnivores. I'll take you out here and show you Sherry's. She went with STI HD 7s, I think they are. 30-inch Maxxis on hers too. Our local shop here in Tyrone, PA, Unlimited Cycle Center, hooked us up with these. Got us a real good deal on them. They treat us pretty good down there. We already have my X3 prepped. I took the fender flares off, I took the stickers off, I wiped it down with 99% alcohol, get everything off of it. I didn't want to have to bore you guys with that video while we were stripping it down and everything, so we went ahead and did that already. So we'll go ahead and set the camera up. We'll go ahead and get started. We'll probably fast forward through some of it, and then some I'll get the camera and actually show you how we're doing it, and what we're doing and everything. So I'll go ahead and set the camera down and we'll get started. Spray the back side of that, spray the machine with soapy water.
You want to help me?
Good, Coop.
Lined up.
You can pull it up and stick it back down if you have to. Goes on really nice. You can move it around and manipulate it.
And over the edges, the heat.
Heat up a little bit, makes it a little more pliable. Makes it so you can bend the edges around. And then you scrape all the water out of it with a rag or a squeegee. It's coming along pretty good, huh, Coop?
Yeah. Grab another rag.
Okay, we're gonna get back at it. Take a look at this, guys. That looks good. That yellow Maverick X3 pops.
Dude, let's find this piece. What? Let's find this piece.
Fit is really nice. They did a really good job of cutting it out. Everything lines up. You can see here. Lines up nice here.
And then this goes under it.
Really thick material.
Not yet though.
I think they said online it was 24 mil. It's coming along pretty good. We'll get a close up of Sherry doing another one here. Professional graphic installer.
Look at that.
And that, my friends, is how you professionally wrap an X3.
You grab me the next piece?
We're working through them, Coop. We're getting down there. Yeah, Coop, installation guaranteed or your money back, huh?
Nothing?
Alright guys, we got it finished. Still got a little bit of daylight left here. I'll turn the camera around so you guys can get a look at what it looks like. If you guys are looking for a wrap, I definitely recommend this company. I'll put their link in the description. The material was really nice to work with. Went on really nice. Everything fit perfect. Didn't have any issues with it. All motor graphics.